Yeah.
Place that speed pour on top of the bottle until it has a snug fit. Next, grab the bottle by the neck and not the body. This will prevent any slipping. Aim the nozzle so that it's pointed with the arch going over and forward. Think of a rainbow. Not under and back towards you, rainbows don't do that. Now, for our free pour. I found that it was easier for me to learn a smooth pour by going all in instead of easing into the pour. This creates a full pour with no trembling, which means more accuracy. When developing your pour count, you must have a count for every fourth measurement. The count should be as follows. 1 equals 1/4 ounce, 2 equals 1/2 ounce, 3 equals 3/4 of an ounce or 3/4 of an ounce, 4 equals 1 ounce, 5 equals 1 ounce and 1/4, 6 equals 1 ounce and 1/2, 7 equals 1 ounce and 3/4 or 1 ounce and 3/4, and 8 equals 2 ounces. So how fast should you count? Well, just know that pour spouts like these pour at a rate of 1 ounce per second. But let's test that out. Got my stopwatch here on 0. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. That's 2.08 seconds. And I'm looking at exactly 2 ounces. The speed at which you count is similar to that of the waltz. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to stop the count with accuracy, you're going to want to do a pop stop. This is achieved by jerking the bottle sharply downwards. Now let's do it in real time. And we're gonna go for 2 ounces, which is once again, an 8 count. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink with me?